Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the 2025 Freedom Elite 19HE, a compact yet versatile Class C RV designed for both seasoned travelers and those new to the RV lifestyle. This motorhome is a perfect balance of convenience, comfort, and functionality, making it a fantastic option for solo adventurers, couples, or small families. Let's dive in and see what makes this RV stand out. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The Freedom Elite 19HE is built on a Ford E-Series chassis, which is well known for its durability and reliability. This model comes with a 7.3-liter V8 engine, delivering plenty of power for highway cruising and tackling mountain roads with ease. The aerodynamic design helps improve fuel efficiency, which is always a plus when you're covering long distances. The exterior storage compartments are thoughtfully designed, offering ample space for your camping gear, tools, and other essentials. The power awning with LED lighting is perfect for creating a cozy outdoor living space, whether you're parked at a campsite or boondocking in the wilderness. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice how spacious and well-organized the layout is. Despite the compact size of the RV, the interior design is modern and inviting, with neutral tones and high-quality finish that create a warm and comfortable atmosphere. The living area features a dinette that can comfortably seat 4 people. This dinette also converts into an additional sleeping space, which is great for accommodating extra guests. Above the cab, you'll find a bunk bed that offers a surprisingly generous amount of sleeping space. It's perfect for kids or even adults, thanks to its sturdy construction and comfortable mattress. There's also a safety net for added security, especially when traveling with little ones. The RV also comes equipped with a flat-screen TV on a swivel mount, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows or movies from the living area or the cab over bunk. Moving to the kitchen, you'll be impressed by how much functionality has been packed into a compact space. The fully equipped kitchen includes a 3-burner gas cooktop, a microwave oven, and a decent-sized refrigerator. The countertops are spacious enough for meal prep, and the stainless steel sink comes with a cover to provide extra working space when needed. There's plenty of cabinet space for storing pantry items, cookware, and dishes, so you won't have to worry about running out of storage. The bathroom is another highlight of the 19HE. It's a fully enclosed wet bath, meaning the shower and toilet share the same space. This design is incredibly space-efficient while still providing all the amenities you need. The shower has a skylight, which not only adds natural light, but also creates extra headroom. The toilet is positioned comfortably, and there's a small sink and medicine cabinet for your toiletries. It's compact but well thought out, ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable experience. One of the standout features of this RV is its sleeping arrangement. The main bed is located in the rear corner of the motorhome, providing a private and cozy space to unwind after a long day of exploring. The bed comes with high-quality bedding and plenty of storage options around it, including overhead cabinets and a wardrobe for your clothes and personal items. The layout maximizes the available space while maintaining easy access to everything you need. The RV also comes with modern technology and safety features to make your journey more enjoyable and secure. The control panel allows you to monitor and manage the RV systems, including the water tanks, generator, and battery levels. There's also an onboard propane system for heating and cooking. The Freedom Elite 19HE is equipped with air conditioning and a furnace, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the season or weather conditions. Driving the 19HE is a breeze, thanks to its compact size and responsive handling. At just under 20 feet, it's easy to maneuver and park, even for those who are new to driving an RV. The cab is equipped with modern conveniences like a touchscreen infotainment system, backup camera, and comfortable seating with armrests, making long drives more enjoyable. The Freedom Elite 19HE truly offers the best of both worlds, the mobility and ease of a smaller motorhome, combined with the comfort and functionality of a larger RV. It's a versatile option for weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, or even full-time living. With its thoughtful design, quality craftsmanship, and reliable performance, it's no wonder this model is a popular choice among RV enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a new RV or simply curious about what the Freedom Elite 19HE has to offer, it's definitely worth checking out. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this RV or if there's another model you'd like us to review. Don't forget to like, subscribe,